All information can be found on clarkfoxstl.com by clicking on the mapping section and going to criminal justice. If you click on the full map feature, this will bring you to the full resource ecosystem map, and as you can see, all the providers are listed. If we click on youth focused, it's going to expand and show all of the providers doing work in this space. We're going to click on Marygrove, and that will take us out to the Marygrove website. If we wanted to go back, we could exit out to the full map, click on another example, we'll click on policy and advocacy. Here we see all of the providers doing work in that space. Also, we have other maps by clicking on the mapping tab, and you could see here an example of several other maps.